So this is exercise number 1. It's just static standing. It may seem simple, but for many patients this is quite difficult to do. The idea is that they have their feet in their normal width stance, typically just about shoulder width apart. The arms are down at their sides and they're not touching or holding anything. Many times patients will put their hands in their pockets or put their hands behind their back, so just cue them to rest their hands at their sides because the hands can be pretty important for balance recovery. The other part of this is we're not holding on to anything, and many patients are using a walker or a cane and just turning loose and not touching a cabinet or a couch as they walk through the house. That can be very different. So building confidence and stability and balance without holding on with your hands is very important. Even a lot of ADLs that we do, simple things like washing your hands requires the turning loose of all surfaces. Making a simple meal, taking a shower, unless adapted, all these ADLs require the person to let go with both hands. So static standing is a great starting point from which we'll build on other exercises. And if a patient is not able to turn loose and keep steady, then we're going to go ahead and work with them on some learning to let go exercises, which you'll learn about later. So that's exercise number 1, static standing.